Davao City Maritime Police Station, under the direct supervision of Police Captain Noel S. Costam.
Daily PNP Personnel Accounting Report is conducted to ensure all personnel are present, accounted for, and performing their assigned duties.
Dry firing. Improving trigger control and accuracy, practicing handling skills, and testing weapon function. Police information and continuing education, aimed at educating, informing, and updating personnel. Operational accomplishment. Seaborne patrol operation is conducted to monitor, secure, and protect coastal and maritime areas from illegal activities. Port security aims in protection of ports, coastal areas, and maritime infrastructure against illegal, criminal, and terrorist activities. Police community relation accomplishment. Coordination meeting is conducted to ensure an effective communication and interagency collaboration in safeguarding maritime and coastal areas. Flyers distribution to inform the community about relevant laws, crime prevention tips, and various police programs. Squad weekly interactive meeting is conducted to ensure consistent personal and professional development of PNP personnel, promote discipline, teamwork, and strengthen leadership and values formation at the squad level. Coastal Foot Patrol to monitor, secure, and prevent illegal or suspicious activities in coastal barangays. Dialogue or Pulong, a community-based activity where we listen to communities' concerns, suggestions, and form the public laws, crime prevention tips, and police programs. Conduct of joint maritime checkpoint is conducted to ensure the enforcement maritime laws in coastal and port areas, prevent the transport of firearms, explosives, and other prohibited items via waterways and land asset. Thank you for watching.